English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. At the dentist clinic.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, doctor.
You came here before. We can compare your X-ray from your last visit to today's. Have you had any discomfort since our last visit?
My gums hurt when I floss. I also feel pain when brush my teeth.
Where is the pain?
On this side of my mouth, doctor.
Let me see. Please sit back and open your mouth wide.
Okay.
Can you feel this?
Yeah.
This sounds like yes to me. Stay still while I check this spot on your X-ray.
Okay.
You do have a cavity in that spot. Your cavity was not treated. Your tooth has decay. It should have a filling. If it does not have a filling, it is worse now because it was not treated. We will need to fix this tooth with a root canal. I will remove the suction.
Thank you. I was scheduled for a filling. I did not come. What happens now? Will I be okay, doctor?
You're sure well. You will survive.
Will I lose my tooth?
No, you will not lose your teeth. We will save it. I will do a root canal to save your tooth. Do I have your permission to get started?
Yes, doctor. You have my permission.
I re-enter the suction. Let me get started. Don't thank me now. Let us get the job done first.
Okay.
We are done. You cannot eat for 3 hours.
Is my tooth all right?
It is now, to avoid more cavities. You must brush twice a day and floss.
I'm sure well. I do not want any more dental issues.
So long as you follow good dental hygiene. You won't have any more cavities. Thank you for coming in. We will see you in a few weeks for a checkup. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, doctor. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.